Hi, it's Diwali, and obviously there is Murukku at my house too. I'm going to be sharing a very easy recipe over here today. It's something that I've been making for years, and I learned it from a Koti book written by Revati Shanmugam ma'am. It's called Mundri Murukku or Cashew Murukku. We begin by grinding 30 cashews to a smooth paste using half a cup of water. We set this aside. To a mixing bowl, we're going to add 1.5 cups of idiyappam flour. I'm just using the store-bought idiyappam flour over here, along with 1.5 teaspoons of ghee, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seeds, a big fat pinch of hing or asafoetida, and the ground cashew milk, of course salt. At this point you can also add chili powder if you wish, but I wanted my murukku to be really white in color, so I did not add any chili powder. Once we've added everything to the bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix this into a crumbly mixture and then further adjust the consistency of the dough by using the water that we are going to rinse our blender with. No wastage over here. So for 1.5 cups of idiyappam flour, I added about 1 cup of water over here. This may vary based on the quality of your flour. You're looking for a smooth, pliable, crack-free dough like you see in the screen over here. So you can require up to 1.25 cups of water or maybe even a little bit less. Once the dough is done, set it aside. Make sure you close it with a wet cloth or with a towel. Grease your murukku press. I'm using the star plate over here today, but you can use any mullu murukku achu that you get or the butter murukku achu that you get for making this particular murukku. And then we're going to shape a log of the dough, put it inside, put the log inside the murukku press, close it, and while I did the whole process, I also got my oil started. And I'm frying quite a lot, so I have about a liter of oil going in on the stove. You could reduce the oil quantity depending on what you're going to do. I'm just piping them into strands today, but if you're feeling really creative, you could do the chakli shape. I'm not a very creative person, or should I say, I'm not a very patient person. So, it's just strands of murukku for me. And I'm not sure if you can hear the sizzle, but as soon as you pipe the murukku into the oil, you must hear the sizzle. That only means, you have achieved the correct temperature for frying murukku. And like every murukku, you allow this to cook on really low heat and until the sizzling sound stops. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this murukku does not change color. It doesn't turn golden brown or a dark brown. It just remains a pale beige or a pale white, and that's what you see in the screen. So that's it. Cashew murukku, my first Deepavali recipe for 2025. I hope you all liked it. It's pretty much straightforward, very beginner friendly, no going to the rice mill, und so weiter. Na? So yes, we'll see you all soon in another recipe. Till then, take care and happy munching.